Hey there everybody! In this video, I'm creating a custom laser cut graffiti piece featuring my son's name. I started in Adobe Illustrator, laying out the letters, designing the bold black outline, and adding a spray paint style background underneath. Once everything looked right, it was time for me to bring it to life. I imported the design into LightBurn and sent it to the laser. First, I cut out the spray paint pattern, then the black border. To make everything fit snugly, I recut the letters with slight adjustments to compensate for the kerf of the laser beam. Before I painted anything, I did a dry fit of all the cutouts. This step is key to make sure everything aligned perfectly and sat flush. Especially around the curves and corners, a good dry fit means no surprises later during assembly. Next up, paint. I hit the spray paint cutout with a base layer of white, followed by some red, then a deep purple pink tone. I layered more white and red on top of that to give it a vibrant street art vibe. Then I painted the black borders and hit the letters with some smooth gray. With everything painted, I brought the layers together. After I checked it out and made sure everything looked right, I took the letters and added some white highlights around the edges and the corners. This made them pop with the classic graffiti style edges. Lastly, I revealed the brick wall background I had laser etched earlier and framed the whole piece. It all came together into a 3D graphic style wall art, custom made for my son. This video is all about the process, concept to final piece, using a laser cutter, spray paint, and a little creativity. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like and subscribe.